Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Harmon, and in math today, we are going to be counting with place value. And so, the big idea from today's lesson is to know that units can be grouped together to make a new unit. Do you remember from our math stories about comparing dimes what the units were? That's right, the units were dimes. So, we're going to use a new unit today with our counting. We're going to play a counting game with a new number called Zirkle. Say it with me, Zirkle. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, Zirkle. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. What comes next? Is it Zirkle? You were right. Okay, now that we've practiced counting, let's get set up. You're going to get 2 plates, 3 cups, and some things to count. If you do not have these things available, you can just watch in the video. Please pause the video if you're going to grab the materials. Okay. Once you've grabbed your materials, you'll put your things on the right plate. This one right here. This is the right plate. And count. 1, 2, 3, Zirkle! When you get to Zirkle things, put them in a cup and move them to the left plate. This is our left plate, and this is going to be the Zirkle plate. Just like this. So this is what your counters will look like in your cup. How many counters do you have? 1, 2, 3, Zirkle. How many Zirkles is that? That's 1. Let's keep going. All right, keep counting. Move your things every time you get to Zirkle. 1 Zirkle 1. So we have 1 Zirkle 1. 1 Zirkle 2. 1 Zirkle 3. 2 Zirkles. What do you think it's going to look like on the left now? That's right. Now we have 2 cups and 2 circles. Let's keep counting. 2 Zirkles 1. So now we have 2 Zirkles and 1. 2 Zirkles 2. 2 Zirkles 3. 3 Zirkles. What do you think happens next? That's right. We're going to put them in our cup and put them on the left, the Zirkle plate. Great job. So, let's count again and record how many ones and Zirkles we have. I have our little chart on the right here to help us keep track. So we have the Zirkles and ones. 0 Zirkles 1, 0 Zirkles 2, 0 Zirkles 3, and 1 Zirkle. All right, so our Zirkle's on the left now. Let's keep going. 1 Zircle 1. 1 Zircle 2. 1 Zircle 3. 2 Zircles. All right. So we have 2 Zircles over here, and we ended with no counters. So that's why the last category has 2 Zircles and then 0. All right, let's keep going. So we're starting with 2 Zircles and no ones. 2 Zircles 1. 2 Zircles 2. What do you think comes next? 2 Zircles 3. You're right. What about after that? 3 Zircles. You did it. And now we put them in the cup. So now we have how many Zircles total? Count with me. 1, 2, 3 Zircles. We have 3 cups and 3 Zircles total. What are units? The units are Zircles. All right, so here's an example of maybe what your Zircles look like at home. Try counting all the way to 3 Zircles 3 using any objects. Explain counting Zircles to someone else and ask them to count. So you can teach this to your brother or your sister or an auntie or a grandparent, anyone. And you can teach them about counting Zircles and use the materials you have at home. So let's share our work. In Seesaw, I'm going to have you take a picture of your Zircles. In this picture, I have 1 Zircle 3 and 3 Zircles 1. Which amount do you think is greater? Take a look at the picture. Which amount do you think is less? Is it 3 Zircles 1 or 1 Zircle 3? And are any of these equal to each other? So we have greater than. Remember the crocodile from Imagine Math? He loves to eat the amount that's bigger. Less than. See how it's pointing away from the smaller amount. And equal to. That means both amounts are the same on each side. So, here are some questions you can think about. And how do you know? You can use the sentence frame. Blank is greater than because, or you can say blank is less than because, and share your thinking. All right, I hope you enjoyed making Zircles with me, and I can't wait to see what you come up with on your own. All right, goodbye.